Hey folks, I have good news and bad news. We'll do the bad news first. The video schedule got disrupted because I had a mishap at work and had to take it easy for a while. Nothing major though. But here's the good news. The coilovers for the BMW have arrived. Since I'm on light duty, let's do an unboxing video. As you can see, these coilovers are made by BC Racing. This is not a sponsored video. I paid retail price for them. I also ordered custom spring rates. According to BC Racing, custom orders take 2 to 4 weeks to complete, and these took about 3 weeks. Normally the spring rates would be 8K front and 12K rear, but I ordered 6K front with 12K rear. It's hard to see the 12 here because it's partly rubbed out. So you may be wondering why I went with softer front springs. Well, we'll cover that in the next video. The custom build stamp on the box is a nice touch. Although I don't think it's actually a stamp, I think the box was printed like that. Maybe they have special boxes made for the custom builds. Anyway, let's open up the box and see what's inside. By the way, if I look sweaty, it's because I am. It's 90-something degrees outside with humidity levels you'd normally expect from a sauna. But hey, that's Florida during the summer. Okay, so the coilovers are double boxed. I like that. Right on top we have the paperwork. Here is the custom build sheet. A warranty card. Some decals. And the instructions. Anyway, let's look inside. I like how the styrofoam peanuts are in sealed bags. That's a nice touch. We don't have to worry about the styrofoam peanuts going all over the place. Also, everything appears to be well packaged. Let's get some of the packaging out of the way so you can get a better look. The rear springs are wrapped in bubble wrap. I'm guessing these are the spring seats. These are the ride height adjustment tools. And here's a pleasant surprise, they included end links for the front sway bar. I didn't know these were included. But I can put these to use because my sway bars didn't come with end links for the front one. So that's cool. My first impression is that everything is well packaged and appears to be high quality. I don't see any signs of damage on the parts. No dents, no scuff marks or scratches or anything like that. The finish on the parts looks really nice. You can tell they didn't just slap on a cheap coat of paint. If these coilovers perform as good as they look, I'm going to be pretty happy. And here are some close-up shots for your viewing enjoyment. Okay, in the next video, I'll give you a detailed description of all the suspension parts we're going to use in the BMW. I'm also going to share some technical information regarding the suspension setup, so stay tuned.